Ready to turn your ideas into reality. With GoDaddy, you are just a click away from securing your perfect domain, building a stunning website, and launching your brand into to the world. Let's make your online presence unforgettable. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use GoDaddy.com. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into GoDaddy.com like that. Then what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a web services company that provides domain registration, web hosting, website building tools, and online marketing services. Founded in 1997, it is one of the largest domain registrators in the world, helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. GoDaddy offers a range of products, including website design, e-commerce solutions, and various digital marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop for online needs. So to get started, all I have to do is come back and you click over here, start for free. You have to create your own website, and then you will find this page. You have here your free website is only the first step. Create a mobile friendly website for your business for free and witness the growth of your business through integrated marketing. I will show you how you can get started. So the first step, we have you choose a template to start building your site or free shop. Then we have add your content, your products, and the contact details of the enterprise to take ownership of the site. Then the third step, which is use integrated marketing to let people know you are up and running. Then we have the fourth step, which is you can manage everything on any device from a single dashboard, reviews, orders, social media also. Then the last step, which is buy premium features according to your needs, add-ons for your shop, referencing, SEO, and we have appointments also. So once you click over start for free, you'll find this page for creating an account. If you already have an account, you can just click over login and you write your email address and your password, then you find your account. But if it's your first time, you have just to click over continue with the one you want. For example, if you have email, Google, Facebook, you choose the one you want. Then you will get started and you will find here these questions. You have just to answer these questions and you get started with the dashboard here and the home page. First of all, we have what features that your website need. For example, we have something else, make appointments online, sell with an online store. So and then I will click over continue. Then we have here very well what kind of website do you want. We use this information to recommend photos and contents to you. So we select the one you want. For example, here we have if you don't have nothing like that. Or we have also like photography here, and we have spa, and we have here dresser as you can see. So I will choose nothing here. Then I will click over continue, and you will find here what name should we give to your website. This will be the name of your project. If you change your avis, you can always update it. For example, I choose here zero shop, then you click over continue. So this is the last question. Then you will find this homepage. Here we have the dashboard as you can see. So after signing up for GoDaddy, start by logging into your account using the research bar to find and register your desired domain name. Once you have your domain, explore the hosting options and choose one that fits your needs, like shared VPS or dedicated hosting. Use the website builder for an easy drag and drop design experience or upload your existing site files. Don't forget to configure your DNS settings for your domain and set up SSL for security. Regularly check your account for renewal reminders and explore additional features like email hosting and marketing tools to enhance your online presence. So this is how you can get started. So in the dashboard, here is how to proceed with the configuration. We have here premium, upgrade to remove ads from your site, choose a paid plan to give your website a more professional look. Then you have more opportunities for development, such as upload your own image, manage your social platforms in one place, claim your domain, and then we have your website. Customize your website with a custom domain. Then we have you publish your site to start welcome main visitor, and we have your marketing also. Post on social media to increase traffic to your website. Send an email campaign to get visitors back to your site. Create your first blog post. Then you have your appointment, like we have allow appointments booking on your site, list a service of or course, and we have information about your business. Then we have your domain name. Here we have there is no domain in this workspace. Find then a new areas. You can just search here, and then we have here website also. We have here steps. Next steps to begin here we have make sure your content information is up to date. Review about section, add your logo or create one to strengthen your brand image. Upload images choose on your site. Use Facebook images on your site. You have to improve your site, like we have customizing your website with a custom domain. Then we have here add some link. We have add some link to your social media accounts. Then make yourself notice in web search. Thanks for referencing. Then we have grow your audience, explore some new tools. Also here we have other things like email. In the email we have here manage the email users, create a professional email address for your domain, build trust by using an email address that matches your domain, value your brand every time to send. You send an email, then we have set custom emails for your business, like, and then we have to, here we have buy it now. Also, we have your shop such as presentation, products, categories, comments, parameters. Then we have appointments also, like we have presentation, calendar, services, categories, clients, team, parameters. Then we have social here, such as presentation, informations also. Then you have marketing like presentation, other also, referencing, marketing by email, blog, content creation also. Then you have your clients, for example, everything automatization, forms to registration, and we have parameters. So GoDaddy serves as a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to establish and grow their online presence. With its wide array of services, including domain registration, web hosting, and user-friendly website building tools, GoDaddy simplifies the process of going digital for individuals and businesses alike, whether you are launching a personal blog or an e-commerce site. GoDaddy equips you with the tools necessary to succeed in the online world. So this is how it works with GoDaddy.com. You can just get started as soon as possible, and you have just to follow the steps to get succeed with GoDaddy.com. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.